We're going to show you how to brighten up the front end of your JK and add some cool new features today on CJ Off-Road. If you're looking to change the front end of your JK and add some great lighting output, today we're going to be installing these LED projector headlights featuring a dual function halo ring onto our 2008 Jeep Wrangler. These 7-inch LED projector headlights feature a 2700 lumen high beam with a 1200 lumen low beam per light. These LED projector headlights fit all 2007 and 2018 Jeep Wrangler JKs. They feature an extremely high quality construction that's very durable and even includes the adapter to get them right on. They feature 1200 lumens per low beam and 2700 lumens on the high beam. They have a dual color white and amber auxiliary LED halo ring that can be wired up as a daytime running light to give yourself a nice feature in the front end of your JK. The IP67 weatherproof rating means it's going to be really durable when you're out on the trail and last for a very long time. With that being said, let's get them installed. Tools needed for this installation: T15 Torx bit, trim removal tool, basic wiring tools, and a lighter or torch. The first step of this installation is to get the grill removed and the factory headlights out. We're going to start with these 6 push pins on the top of the grill, pop those off, and get started. Just use a small trim removal tool, pop the inside, and just pop them out, save them, you'll be reinstalling the grill. Pull the grill towards you, then disconnect the turn signals behind there, then pull the grill straight out towards you. Use a T15 Torx bit to remove the 4 screws around the edge of the headlight ring, then pull it out. Pull the headlight towards you, pop the red push pin out, then the connection will come loose. Plug the H4 into the H13 adapter. Plug the back of the headlight into the H4 section. We're going to put these red and yellow wires down behind the headlight bucket, tap them into our turn signal relay, that way we can get the daytime running light to function properly. We're going to place the trim ring back into the light, that way it holds it into place. You're going to reuse your factory hardware. The last step of the wiring is to get the daytime running lights to function. In order to do so, you're going to have to tap into your factory turn signal here. This outside wire is going to be the turn signal. It's going to make this light up amber. Then the running light is going to be this middle wire. You're going to wire the yellow to the outside here, and then the red to the middle wire. We're going to cut this off and get started. We're going to start with the turn signal wire this farthest outside. I'm going to cut it at about 3 inches back. Get the lower half stripped off. Twist the body side of the connection wire together with the amber for the headlight. Then we're going to use a waterproof butt connector to slide it over there. Get it closed up. Slide the lower half into the bottom of the connector. Then we're going to crimp those together as well. Now we're going to move on to the running light. I'm going to cut the middle wire at about the same length, about 3 inches back. Go ahead and strip both ends. Just like on the yellow wire, we're going to twist these two together. Slide them into another waterproof butt connector. After you have that side in, slide the lower part of the connection into the lower half of the butt connector. Then crimp it together. Use a heat gun or a lighter, and we're going to shrink these up. Before we go any further and complete the other side, I'm going to go ahead and turn on the lights, see if they work. As you can see, the halos are working, and the low beam looks to be working as well. Go ahead and try out the high beam. Now let's see if the turn signals work. With everything working on this side, we're going to complete the exact same wiring on the other side, reinstall our grill, and then complete the installation. With both lights wired up, we can now put the grill back on. I'm going to go ahead and set it right here. Put the turn signal bulbs back into place on both sides. With them back into place, you can now set the grill back up into its proper location. Push it back into place, You'll hear the pops. Then we're going to put the push pins back all along the top. Push them in and then pop the centerpiece on. It'll lock it down. Ours do have a Phillips head screwdriver end, however, it doesn't really work anymore after the years, so if you have an 11 or newer, you just pop them in the same way, there's no screwdriver. Go ahead and close your hood, and your installation is complete. As you can see, we're about 10 feet away from the wall, and these lights are extremely bright. They give a nice projection light with a crisp cutoff line. I think they look really great. As you can see behind me, we just wrapped up the installation of the LED projector headlights with the dual custom LED rings. As you can see, I have the daytime running light on. When you do the turn signal, it turns to a nice crisp amber color, which you saw right before this. These are a really nice headlight. They give a nice crisp cutoff line, and they're a really great option for your Jeep. The install time was only about 2 hours, and you need basic hand tools to get it done with a little bit of wiring knowledge, which we showed you a little bit earlier. You can find them right here as well as many other great parts for your JK at cjponyparts.com.